Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about network marketing. All right, now I'm gonna be completely honest with you. All right, there is something that you must understand if you want to be a successful network marketer. Now, I've done tons of videos on network marketing. I've been involved with several network marketing companies, so I feel like I'm qualified, to give my little 2 cents. All right. Now, when it comes to network marketing, first of all, can money be made? Can you make money in the network marketing world? My opinion, yes, you can. It is very, very possible to make money with network marketing, right? Another good thing is there are tons of network marketing opportunities out there. There's probably thousands of companies out there that you can sign up with, that you can join, and you can get started with probably today if you want to, right? But here's the thing. I've always been the type of person when it comes to network marketing to say, if you can't make money without recruiting, then it's kind of a turnoff for me. And what I mean by that is, if there's a company, right, a network marketing company, and they have these products, right, the products are supposed to be good, right? So if I can't sit there and say, you know what, I'm just going to promote these vitamins and I'm going to build a 6-figure income strictly off of sales. I'm not worried about recruiting people, right? I'm not trying to build teams and hope that they actually do the same effort that I'm doing to earn money and da-da-da-da. If I can't sit there and just from the products alone be able to build a solid income, then I personally just don't want to rock with it, right? The problem is with most network marketing opportunities out there that I've seen, and if you know something different, comment below. It's all good. Name the company, right? But about 99.9% of the companies so far that I've seen, like, you can't really make a lot of money without building a huge team, without recruiting a lot of other, sellers underneath you, right? So a lot of people get into the network marketing game and they don't realize that because, someone sold them on the idea of getting network marketing, getting into it. And then once they sign up and they pay their money and they get the products, then they're like, hey, it's time to build a team, baby. And a lot of people be like, whoa. What do you mean build a team? I'm antisocial. I don't talk to people. I don't want to talk to people. I thought, I could do this off of these products, whatever. So most businesses, network marketing companies, they're going to, get you in like, oh, you make all this money. But once you get on, you're going to be expected to build a team. And in a lot of cases, you're going to need several hundred, if not a couple thousand people underneath you, right, to be successful. Now, can you make, in my opinion, can you make a couple $100 probably strictly off of just sales in most network marketing companies? I would say, yeah, right? But most people that get into network marketing, they're sold by the idea of being able to be a 6-figure earner, right? To be able to earn, $5,000 a month, $3,000 extra a month, $10,000 a month. And that ain't happening without a lot of people underneath you. And not only do you got to have a lot of people underneath you, they better be doing some damn work. Like, you can't just have a lot of people underneath you and they ain't doing nothing. See, that's another thing you need to understand. Right? You need to recruit people that have try to find the same, the type of people that have the same mindset as you, the same focus, the same determination. They're willing to follow directions. They're willing to go hard, right? Because I remember about 12 years ago, I was involved with a company and I had like 600 people underneath me. And like my earnings was like $30 a month. It was just stupid low, right? And why was that? That's the crazy part about network marketing. Why was that number so low? Because none of these 600 people was doing nothing. Wasn't doing squat, right? Now, on the flip side of that, if 50 of them people would have been doing something, 50 out of those 600 people would have been grinding like me and hustling and recruiting and selling products, oh, I could have been making some serious money. But the problem is, I had to depend on all these other people to be successful. So do I discourage network marketing? Do I think it's all a scam and pyramid schemes and all that? Some are trash, but a lot of network marketing companies are actually good. A lot of them actually have good products, actually have good, pay scales and all that stuff. But just be aware that to make the real money, you're probably, no, there ain't no probably, you're gonna have to build a solid team. A lot of people underneath you with the same drive and focus. If you go into network marketing understanding that you gotta recruit, right? Then give it a shot. Go for it, because you already understand what it's gonna take to be successful, right? So I suggest checking it out if that's what you want to do. Just understand you're gonna have to recruit. All right. Now, if you want to see another way that you can make money without having to recruit nobody but your own self and being able to earn instant $300 commissions, you want to check out this video right here.